Hello everyone. This is Shayan Bakchi from Satispurteaestate. Today I am going to brief you about making of black orthodox tea. We are into the second week of April and in Upper Assam it is only the early period of the season. Here you can see the tea garden. This season we started plucking tea leaves from second week of March. As a thumb rule, we pluck at an interval of 7 days. In order to get a 2.5 leaf crop, it is important to pluck the tea leaves strictly within 7 days interval. This is to maintain a good quality of raw material and to ensure quality of end product. Here you can see the pluckers plucking in a tea section. The objective is to pluck only the 2.5 leaf. Any excess of 2.5 leaf may be rejected to ensure good quality of raw material. Let me show you how tea leaves are plucked from a tea bush. It is only the apical 2 leaf and a bud that are intended to be plucked. Here you can see how the women are weighing their leaf before they are transported to the factory for further processing. Now it's time for the processing of green tea leaves. Initially, the green leaves are spread on a bed known as the withering trough. You can see the structure of a withering trough. The purpose is to make the green leaf lose moisture of around 30 to 40% with the help of high-speed fan and if necessary with the help of gas being blown to make the inlet air moisture free. It is necessary to secure an even and uniform spread of the green leaf in order to get proper withering of green leaf. After the physical and chemical wither of green tea leaves are achieved, which takes around 8 to 12 hours, the tea leaves are transported through monorail for further processing. These machines are called rolling tables. Withered tea leaves are put to roll into these rolling tables for around 45 minutes. The purpose of this process is to provide character to the tea leaves. The tea leaves become rolled and twisted in shape which appears on the end product of orthodox tea. Along with the same, it also facilitates mixing of the cell saps of tea leaves, resulting enzymatic reactions to produce the desired attributes of tea liquor and flavor. Once the process of rolling is done through a sequence of light, medium, and hard rolling, the teas are discharged from the rolling tables. Thereafter, the rolled leaves are passed through the orthodox kacha ghogi made up of aluminum perforated sheets. The purpose is to segregate the fine, well rolled and twisted particles from the coarse leaves. The coarse leaves are again rolled in the rolling tables and the process continues till a desired character is achieved. Now it is time for oxidation or fermentation. The rolled tea leaves are spread on the fermenting floor uniformly for the process of natural oxidation, with the help of ambient oxygen. It takes around 2.5 hours to 3 hours time for orthodox tea fermentation. Thereafter, the oxidized tea are passed through tea dryers. These machines are called the conventional or quality tea dryers, being the pioneer for orthodox tea manufacturing. The tea leaves are placed on the dryer trays and travels along the cold feeder and subsequently along the three circuits of the tea dryer. Gas is being blown from the opposite end of the feeder, and with the help of ID fans, hot air is induced into the dryer. The tea leaves lose its moisture completely, resulting into dry black orthodox tea as its produce. Finally, the process of shorting arrives. Orthodox shorting, being a complex process, involves quite a number of shorting machines. Starting from the Middleton shorter, the process continues with the help of Arnott shorter, Pakka Ghugi, tea breakers, and finally color sorting machine in order to extract the unwanted fibers and stalks from the orthodox black tea. Thereafter, the teas are ready to be packed and dispatched for sale. This concludes the briefing from my end. For any query or elaboration on any topic, I will be obliged to help you out. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.